Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. And if you'd like to get ready with me, just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to use is my Smashbox Primerizer. I use this because I am a dry skin gal. And I could use the extra hydration always. So in my skincare routine, I use two primers. One is to hydrate, and the second one is to help with my more pory areas, so my forehead, my cheeks, my nose, my chin. And for this one, I'm going to be using the Maybelline, the Baby Skin, the Instant Pore Eraser. I like this so far. I've really liked this. I've been using it for a while now. And for my makeup routine, I like to do my eyes first. I just like it because then if I have any fallout or if it gets a little too messy, I can clean it up either with a brush or I can just cover it up with my foundation and concealer. So first I'm going to put on concealer just to give this a nice blank canvas, and I use the Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm somebody that likes to set their eyeshadow primer with a powder, and I am using the Maybelline Fit Me, and I use the Fair Light shade. For today, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill times Morphe eyeshadow palette, the first one. I really enjoy it, and yeah, I wanted to use it today, so I am. But yeah, I'm just going to be going in with these two shades right here, and I'm going to pop it all over the lid. Alright, so for my next shades, I'm going to be dipping into these two here. I believe that is so creamsicle and butter. Alright, and the next two shades I'm going to be using are these two shades. One is pewter and one is puke. Next is foundation, and what I'm going to use is the Bourjois, the Healthy Mix Serum Foundation. I believe it's supposed to be a gel, but yeah, I just put one pump on the back of my hand, and then I will put it on. Yeah, I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape. And then I'm going to set my face again with the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. For the next step in the routine, I like to put on bronzer next, and for the bronzer I'm going to use, it's going to be the Essence Sun Club bronzer. So next I like to put on highlighter, and the one I'm going to be using is the Spotlight palette in the shade Pearl. And I just tap through all of them and put them on my cheeks. So now I'm going to put blush on, and the blush that I like to wear is the Satin Touch, the Satin Coral from Essence. Now I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Pro Spraying Set. I really like it. I think it's a good drugstore. Next, I'm going to be doing my brows. I'm going to be using my brow stylist from Nude. I'm actually going to do it off camera because I would eventually like to do an actual brow tutorial on what I do and how I fill my brows and everything like that. So stay tuned. See you next. I'm going back with these two shades right here and just putting them on my lower lash line and calling it a day. I'm going through a phase where I'm not wanting too much on like my under eyes. I'm sure I'll go back to heavy duty soon, but as of right now, just two. Now I'm going to be highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm going to be using both of the highlighting shades in this palette. I just like mixing them together because I think it's very pretty. Alrighty, next is mascara. I'm going to be doing the same thing I did with my brows. I'm going to be doing it off camera, and then I'll do how I get my lashes all nice and big and whatnot. But yeah, I use my tried and true, my Seals Booster XL, and my Monster Big by Lancome. And the two together, perfection. So now it is lip liner time. So what I'm going to be putting on is the NYX. It's the lip liner in the shade Natural. I will put that all over my lips, mostly just to try to, not so much to overdraw, but just try to define my edges. And I actually use two lip liners, so I use this one. This is the NYX lip liner in the shade Mauve, and I like to just put it under my lip, like just under, to give it the extra plumpness on my bottom lip. Now I'm going to be putting on some liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Bombshell. Right, now I'm going to take a nude liner and put it in my waterline. I use just the MAC, is I think the NC15 pencil. Alright, now I'm going back in with my setting spray from L'Oreal. So this is the final look. I really like it. Just a nice nude lip, nice nude eyes. My lashes are nice and big. And it's just pretty. It's just a look that I usually go for more on the day-to-day. But I would like to do some more bold looks. If there's any bold look in particular you would like to see, please let me know in the comments down below. I am more than happy for suggestions. I love suggestions. I want to do what you guys want to see. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye!